Good morning. It's, oh my gosh, it's already 8:30, and I have school at 9 o'clock. Now, the season is autumn, which means that it's time for school. I have to get dressed, brush my teeth, brush my hair, and have breakfast. So, I need to go get ready for school now. I'll see you in a moment.
This is a classroom at my school. Let me show you all of the things that we have in our classroom. Here we have a bookshelf. These are shelves, and you can see the books that we put on the shelf. This is the part of the classroom where we put our books. On top of the bookshelf, we have some things that we use for chemistry class. Chemistry is a type of science. In chemistry, we study solids, liquids, gases, and the changes that they make. On the blackboard, my teacher wrote our timetable. This is a table with different times and different days of the week. And it tells us when we have our classes. For example, in the first hour on Monday, we might have chemistry class. But the second hour, we might have mathematics class. Speaking of which, this is a set square. We use this in mathematics class. In mathematics, we learn all about numbers. Another class that we have is geography. In geography, we use this globe or map of the world to learn all about the continents, the countries, and the different physical features in the world, like oceans, lakes, and rivers. Next to the globe, we have a poster too. We use this poster in history class. In history, we study all the things that happened in the past, hundreds or even thousands of years ago. Under the poster, we have some things that we use in physics class. Physics is a type of science, and in physics, we study things like light, heat, sound, and energy, and atoms too, like these. Here we have the things that we use for PE class. In PE, we play many sports like football, basketball, and tennis, and we do lots of physical exercises. And this is my class. Here we have one classmate. She is a member of the group or the class. And all of the classmates sit at desks, which are like special tables for studying at school. So this is my classroom. What do you think? Does it look like yours? Okay, now in exercise 5, we're going to read the definition and write the vocabulary word that the definition describes. Now, when we read definitions, which are these here, definitions describe a word. And we want to look for key words in the definition to help us to know what the word is. So let's look for some key words here. In number 1, it says a school subject where students play sports and do physical activity. Some important words here are school subject, because it helps us to know that we want a subject, not a person or a thing. And I see sports and physical activity. Those are some other key words. So which school subject is the one where they play sports and do physical activity? That one was PE. Let's look for a few more key words in number 2. Number 2 says, a member of the same class at a college or school. Okay, key word is member. A member is a person. So we know that we want a person. Another key word is the same class. We know that we want a person in the same class. What was that called again? Well, now it's your turn to find out. Complete the exercise. Look for key words in the definition to help you to know which vocabulary word the definition describes.
Okay, so I brushed my hair, I brushed my teeth, I got dressed, and I had a small breakfast. I put my books in my school bag, so I'm ready for school. Are you ready? Let's go.